Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Pinterest content creation. In this series, we'll explore how to create pin-worthy content that drives traffic and discovery. Pinterest is one of the most powerful platforms for visual content creators, bloggers, and entrepreneurs. By the end of this video, you'll understand the complete strategy for mastering Pinterest and growing your audience. Pinterest uses a sophisticated algorithm to decide which pins to show users. The algorithm pays attention to user behavior signals like saves, clicks, and how long users look at your pins. It also tracks when people click through to visit your website. On the ranking side, Pinterest considers pin quality, how relevant your pin is to what people are searching for, how trustworthy your account is, and whether your pin is new or recently created. Understanding these factors helps you create content that the algorithm favors. Creating visually appealing pins is essential. Use bold, contrasting colors that stand out in feeds where people are scrolling quickly. Your typography must be clear and large so text is readable at any size. Keep a single focal point to guide the viewer's eye immediately. Leave white space around your elements to avoid clutter and improve clarity. Always use high-quality, sharp images or professional graphics. Finally, establish a clear visual hierarchy using size, color, and positioning to lead people's attention where you want it. Pinterest has specific technical requirements for pins. Standard pins work best at 1000 by 1500 pixels, which maintains a 2 to 3 aspect ratio and gets the most feed visibility. If you're creating video pins, use 1080 by 1920 pixels for vertical video and a 9 to 16 aspect ratio. Carousel pins, which let users tap through multiple images, also use 1000 by 1500 pixels. Keep your file size under 5 megabytes for optimal loading performance across all devices. Search engine optimization on Pinterest is crucial for discoverability. Write pin titles and descriptions that include your target keywords naturally. The first 50 characters of your description are the most important because that's what users see first. Include 5 to 10 relevant keywords in your pin description. Write descriptions that focus on benefits and what users will gain. Create informative board descriptions with your keywords. Add descriptive file names and alt text to your images. Finally, make sure your links point to authoritative, relevant content that matches your pin's promise. Follow a structured workflow to create consistent, high-quality pins. Start by brainstorming and planning. Identify trending topics in your niche and think about what problems your audience is trying to solve. Then, design your visual using templates or design tools, making sure to follow the optimal dimensions we discussed. Write compelling copy with keywords that encourages people to click and save. Upload your pin to relevant boards and schedule it for posting at times when your audience is most active. Finally, monitor your analytics to see what works and continuously optimize your strategy based on performance data. You don't need expensive software to create great pins. Canva is an excellent choice with thousands of pre-made templates for pins. Adobe Express offers professional design capabilities. Figma is perfect if you want more control, and Photoshop gives you advanced editing options. For images, use free resources like Unsplash, Pexels, and Pixabay, or create your own original photography. Optimize your images using TinyPNG to reduce file size. Use keyword research tools to find what people are searching for. Finally, use analytics platforms to track performance and scheduling apps to maintain consistency. Organize your Pinterest account strategically. Create boards focused on specific niches so they stay relevant and organized. Use descriptive board names that tell people exactly what the board contains. Write compelling board descriptions that include keywords to help the algorithm understand your content. Pin consistently, aiming for 15 to 30 pins per week. Mix original content you created with curated pins from other creators. Schedule your pins to post during peak hours when your audience is most active. Maintain an 80-20-10 ratio. 80% valuable educational content, 20% curated pins from others, and 10% promotional content about your own products or services. Track the right metrics to measure your Pinterest success. Monitor impressions to see how many people view your pins. Watch outbound clicks to measure traffic you're sending to your website. Pay attention to saves and repins because these indicate people value your content. Calculate your engagement rate to understand how your audience interacts with your pins. Focus on improving your click-through rate and save rate. Track your follower growth and actual website traffic. Use this data to perform A and B testing on different pin designs. Study your top-performing pins to understand what works, refine your keywords, and continuously test new formats to improve results. Remember these important points. Pinterest functions as a visual search engine, not social media like Facebook or Instagram. High-quality visuals are what drive discovery and traffic to your website. SEO optimization is absolutely crucial for reaching more people. Building momentum takes time and consistency. Now it's time to take action. Start by auditing your current Pinterest strategy to see what's working and what needs improvement. Create 10 to 15 pin designs this week and upload them to your boards. Optimize all your titles and descriptions with keywords you researched. Set up analytics tracking so you can monitor your performance and continuously improve. Start creating pin-worthy content today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.